Hello, nice to have you here. So in this video I will talk a little bit about the outfit, what you're wearing when you're dancing. And of course, as a dance with a lot of connection, kizomba and kizomba fusion, you might want to avoid some things in your clothing. So for example, if you have sharp objects on your body, if you have sharp bracelets or something very big as a necklace, it might be uncomfortable to dance. And for guys or girls also who have a big belt buckle, you can, for example, do this. Here, the belt bucket, you place it to the side so that it doesn't interfere anything. This one is pretty big and sharp corners, so it can be nice to avoid it when you dance with your partner. For ladies, you can maybe think about your dress, what kind of dress you're wearing. Sometimes you have these amazing dresses with the glitter and it looks like fish scales. Looks amazing, but it's not that nice to hold. They feel uncomfortable on your hand, so it's not that nice to hold that kind of dress, and sometimes they are very slippery, so your hand is kind of sliding around on the back. If you have a festival bracelet, the plastic sharp ones, guys, you can place it on your left, and girls, you place it on your right hand, so that this one is not in the lady's back, as would be my right hand. And for ladies, your right hand is not in the back of the guy. Your right hand is here, out in the air, and not scratching my neck on your left arm. So guys, keep it on the left, ladies on your right. If you have hair, a lot of hair, that is difficult to see, maybe. We have normally 50% vision. In kizomba sometimes we have 25% vision. And if there's a lot of hair covering my view, then of course I will have like 2% to the side, and it's very difficult to see where I'm going. It might tickle in my face, and it's not that nice to dance when you have to lean back to avoid some hair. So maybe you can braid it, you can put it in a ponytail or whatever. Of course, the same goes for guys if they have a lot of hair. We try to take care of our outfit, what we're wearing, and we try to take care of our hygiene, obviously. There's another video about that, but this is the tip for today. So I hope you like. If you have other tips about anything relating to the social dance scene in kizomba or dancing or whatever, let me know in comments below. And that's it for today. Have a nice day. Take care.